In this course, you will practically learn the concepts of computer vision, from basics to advanced, by building projects, and develop the skills needed for an exciting career in computer vision technology. The course helps students develop enough experience to apply for jobs or higher studies in computer vision technology with confidence. First, you will start by developing a computer vision-based mouse project using object tracking algorithm, with which you can control your cursor wirelessly by just showing colored objects. Then, you will learn and develop a computer vision-based text scanner project that uses optical character recognition algorithm to identify and extract text from an image. Next, you will develop a smart selfie application that uses face recognition and facial feature recognition algorithm to snap selfies automatically whenever you smile and look your very best. Then, you build a slightly complex computer vision-based surveillance system project using various image and video processing algorithms. You will use Raspberry Pi, a credit card-sized computer, as the brain, and program it to transmit the video captured over the internet as live footages to your screen. Finally, you will design and build a surveillance robot project that uses various computer vision algorithms to process and transmit the video captured as live footages over the internet. You will also program the robot to get instructions from a user at a remote location. As part of the course, you will also learn to write programs on Python idle to make these computer vision projects function efficiently. Building all these projects will help you master the concepts involved in computer vision, image processing, and Python programming, and will put you in a great position to start a career. The course is based on Skyfi Labs' Learn, Do, Review methodology, which ensures that you learn the technical concepts in addition to building the projects. A topic like computer vision can only be learned by building projects, and Skyfi Labs makes the process super easy for you. Kits required will be shipped to your doorstep within 24 hours. And you can complete the project from anywhere on Earth and build your profile with Smart certification. Using Skyfi Labs courses, you will not only build projects with a definite output, but also learn the concepts involved in it. So you can attend and crack interviews with confidence. Start learning today and develop your profile for a great career in computer vision.